they give me free hair clip eh. Wait, huh? How does this hair clip work? Why the baby in the middle? Oh. Why did this take wrongly, right? Shouldn't?
That's what they give you, man.
Yeah, you see, this is the baby. It's supposed to be on top. No wonder they give me. That's quite funny. Anyway, for the real thing. Ooh.
When I first met you then, thought you were nothing. You were just sitting on the couch with that red jacket. We didn't say a word, who would have thought that this would happen? The more we got to spend, my feelings growing. I didn't think I'd be attracted to your type, boy. The summer when we kissed, beginning of our secret love. Baby, you got me going around you. I can't resist myself, cause I just need you. The way you pull me on. Summer colognes got me free. Summer colognes got me falling to my knees. I don't need much.
One of our goals is to eat ikea at Sweden.
Stutter, my words are beating the night that you had left me. I was so obsessed.
So it's like when I edit until I'm very tired, right? I can just like that. Then I stand up, I can edit. Then we're on the scene again. You just
I said I feel lonely without you by my side. Don't need a reason why. Baby, you got me going all around you. I can't resist myself, cause I just need you. Cause I just need you. The way you pull me, summer colognes got me free. Summer colognes got me falling to my knees. I don't need much, baby.
Oh, you.
I just need you right here next to me. Summer colognes got me free.
Hi guys, today is Saturday and today I'm going to I just made myself another cup of coffee. I think I am like addicted, but it's like my motivation, you know, like when I'm like, okay, I'm gonna study, then I make another cup of coffee to like encourage me. Yes, this is what I need. The time is now 3:19 p.m. and I'm actually only starting work now. Oh, by the way, I think I didn't film a proper intro that day, but basically I'm now on my recess week. But today's already Saturday, so tomorrow is the last day of my recess week. And this semester, I actually had a few tests before my recess week. So my recess week is more chill. Like, I don't have that many tests to study for, but the group projects are crazier, so I have like 2 more starting and 2 are already ongoing. But earlier today I was watching Korean drama with my family. Actually, I watched 2 episodes last night and I knew it was a new drama, but I thought all the episodes were out already. And then like I was like, okay, I'm gonna binge watch and I'm gonna watch until episode 3. And then at the end of episode 2, Netflix led me back to the homepage and I realized that only 2 episodes have been released so far, so I didn't get to finish watching it. But I literally just like rewatched both episodes with my family just now after lunch. But anyways, now I'm going to revise on my test. It's actually next week. Yeah, I haven't started, but it's next week. And also it's open book, so hopefully it'll be better. Yeah, but I'm just gonna study for it now. It's raining right now and I just did some work, so I'm gonna take a break and it's like the perfect weather to just lie on my bed. I recently got the LUMOS NANO portable projector and I'm so excited. Thank you so much to LUMOS for sending this to me. So if you guys watch my previous videos, you may know that I have the LUMOS Ray. My boyfriend actually got this for me as my birthday present last year and I love it a lot. So I was so excited when I received the LUMOS Nano because this one is portable, which means I can even bring it to like my uni hall, or like if I go overseas or like to my friend's house. This will be much easier to carry along with me. So let me show you guys. Oh my god, and it still smells so good. I already opened it, by the way, so this is not like a brand new unboxing because I got excited. So I already opened it like a few days back and I've been using it, so let me show you. So basically when you open it, this is what you will see. This is the size. You can really see how small it is. And by the way, my hand is quite small and it's literally so small. I was so surprised. It's also really light. And yes, I pasted it back for this video. But this is what it looks like. Super nice. It looks super good quality. Super pretty and well made. Inside here, you get this tripod, which is awesome because they are both really small, and after you attach this to the projector, you can really adjust the angle so that you can watch it wherever you are. The controller, some cables, other side.
喝很多了，对吧？不要忍尿跟大便，那个人的大便以后会变 constipation。Oh yeah, where you filming?
Swiftly ticking over, my brain's ticking like a bomb inside my head. I might explode. You should be where the spiders on it can be brutal on the heart. You might not wanna start. You should probably run ahead. Take shelter from regret. Holding on to anything at all. I can't believe I couldn't see what you could see in front of me. I must be crazy not to flee the earth inside of me. Have you fallen to your knees? Have you found the meaning?
Is it recording?
Yes, you can say hi.
Hi. I'm a YouTuber too. And there is Kel.
Hello! Yeah. I'm helping babytobeat make more friends.
I'm now getting ready to go for lunch with Heather. I used this palette for my eyes today. We're going to Connect 71. I actually texted Heather at like 1 AM last night saying that I was craving Connect 71 and asked if she wants to go with me. So yeah, it's really impromptu. I can also order it on Kate's, which is like my school's delivery platform. But I feel like it's not worth to eat Connect 71 on Kate's because it's like $9, right? Which is considered quite expensive for school food. And if you just eat it on Kate's, you're like paying that amount plus more for takeaway fee and you're not actually experiencing the Connect 71 environment. So I feel like if you want to eat Connect 71, you have to eat it there to enjoy the cafe vibe. Did I put too much blusher while talking? Yes, I think I did. Oh my gosh, I really put too much blusher. Whatever, anyway it will fade a while later. I just put a little bit of highlight. You guys think I look like a bitch? In the lift. Imagine it's snowing outside and there's like an ice skating rink there, and then we're just watching it. We're in New York City. But reality slaps. We are in NTU.
Too special, drunk to the bone when I met you. I don't give a fuck who the next dude. I don't really see no issues with it. Just one of those nights when you want my back. I don't want no love, you can have that back. I just want that piece of my throw it back one time. Up on me like that, I be out my mind. Yeah. No love, no love, no love.